So we've just finished an awesome tour of Crystal Waters Spring right here at River Ventures. How cool is this?
Oh, it was amazing. Absolutely amazing.
We had a proper up close personal experience with them. So now we are finished up here. We're going to take a quick drive down to Clearwater. We're going to check into Clearwater for 2 days, but yeah, we're going to head to Clearwater now
For our next adventure.
That's it. So we've made it to Spring Hill Suites by the Marriott here at Clearwater. The sun is just about to go down over the sea there, and Pier 60 is absolutely ram-packed with people wanting to get their sunset snap. If I just put myself there, you can see me back in focus now. But
it's beautiful.
It really is beautiful here, and we're just having so much fun. Just having fun. Back to this one.
All about.
It's all about making memories.
Oh yes. I think it's time we wake him up. We go and get some breakfast. Yeah. Morning, Wilby. Say good morning. Hello. Oh, say good morning.
Breakfast.
No, not breakfast. Good morning.
We love a bit of wildlife. It's a nice little pelican out here. It looks like he's got tongs as his beak. But look at this.
Check that out.
I mean, pink's not my colour. Les,
I want a pink Mustang.
I think it's originally red because it looks like it's peeling at the side there, but it's actually wrapped pink. How awesome. So we're just taking a stroll onto the marina. So we're going to check out some different tours or excursions they're doing. And yeah.
We're really interested in the jet skis, so I think we're going to check them out.
Check them out. Just a quick edit, because at this point I've realised that I am squinting so much that I really need a pair of sunglasses. So we take a drive out of town.